Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Taylor series. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the degree number 3 Taylor polynomial, t number 3 of s of the function. Here is about the function at a equals to number 4. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of this one, they should be like this. That is about n derivative of the function, and later that we put value of a gone here, and we have n factorial s minus a to the power of n. Now because this is about number 3, so this one that is about third derivative of the function. This one we change by number 3. This one we change by number 3. Now we need to find third derivative of the function in here. And we have a equals to number 4. We put in here. Now we go first derivative of the function. That is about this one. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do na to the power of n minus number 1, and later that we do first derivative of this one. So in this situation, we have 3 over 2, 3s minus number 3 to the power of 3 over 2 minus number 1. And later that, we need to do first derivative of 3s minus number 3. So this one, we have number 3. Because first derivative of 3s, we got number 3. This one we have the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 1 over 2. Number 3 and number 3 we have 9 over 2. Now if we do second derivative of this one, we have like this. So this one we simplify, and we have 27 over number 4. And now we have negative number 1 over 2. Now if we go to third derivative of this one, we have like this. So we simplify this one, and we have negative 81 over 8, and we have 3s minus number 3 to the power of negative number 3 over 2. After we got this one, we can put number 4 gone here. So we calculate this number, and we have negative 1 over 16. This is the end. Thank you for watching.